All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. I've got some really cool things to share in this video. We're going to get started and jump right into the content. So I want to show you how you can actually dominate a software from an affiliate marketing standpoint and how you can actually start making a lot of commissions. I'm going to show you proof. I'm going to show you this video is just going to blow your mind. Okay, so let's jump in real quick. So right off the bat, I'm going to log into SEOwriting.ai, my first promoter affiliate account, and log in real quick to show you I have $784 unpaid earnings right here. If we go over here to the payouts, they just paid me a few days ago. I made $1,529. This is just one software and 1 month that they have paid me to create a few. I've literally just made a few videos. I'm dominating for all the keywords for this, people that are wanting to get more information about the software. And this is what I'd like to teach you how to do. And I'm going to be teaching you this for free. So if you like this content and it's valuable to you, then if you would consider hitting that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this, right? Why not learn from someone on YouTube that's teaching you about affiliate marketing and making money online, but from somebody that can prove to you that they're actually doing exactly what they're teaching you. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's rock and roll. So right off the bat, this is the software, SEWriting.ai. And if we go over, and I just want to go to their website and see if we can get to their sales page. I'm logged in, so I'm going to need to sign out of the software real quick. So I can go over here and show you what this software looks like right over here, okay? So this is the software. It's got a great sales page. It's going to be very easy to promote this to people because of all the different things that this does. There are so many people that are using this software, and this just completely crushes the other AI writers out there on the market. It crushes Jasper. Believe me, I've been doing this specifically in the AI content writing software niche or market for about the last 3 years. And I can tell you which ones are the good ones and which ones all have been left in the dust. They've just been left behind because of all the technology and all the things that customers actually want in their AI writers, right? And so this is one of the ones that the creator of the software understands SEO, and they understand how to create the tool for the market, the right tool for the right market. And so people that are serious about ranking their content on Google are fleeing to, they are, jumping at the bit to get this SEOwriting.ai software. And so it's very easy to sell this software because it just works. I have a subscription to this software and I use it as well. And I have plenty of proof that I can rank articles using the software as well. So it actually does work. So when you know that as an affiliate, when you know that the software works that well, it just becomes that much more easier to actually market this to other people, right? So this is the software that we would go out now. Start thinking, I'm going to try to kind of go back to square one and kind of what I did in order to start making a lot of sales with this software, right? All of this was free traffic, so I didn't go out there and do any paid marketing or anything like that. And so I think that you're going to be pleasantly surprised how easy it can be if you do the right things. So let me go and show you. We're going to go over here into an incognito window. And if I type in SEO writing AI review, right? SEO AI writing review, you're going to see an ad and then another ad and then another ad. And then you're going to see words at scale is ranked number 1. But then guess who's ranked number 2 right here? SEO writing AI. I'm ranked number 1. This is one of my other YouTube channels, by the way. If you're new to my channel, a lot of you already know that I have multiple channels, and one of my other main channels is Learn Wire, where I talk more about SEO and building websites and doing specific software reviews, right? And so look at how I'm ranked number 1. Ranked number 2. I'm ranked number 3. I'm ranked number 4, right? And then look, 5, 6, 7. And then look, number 8 right there, right? Do I have any other ones? I even have more content right here, ranking as well. And I think that YouTube is smart because in my top 5 list right over here, SEO writing.ai is one of my top fives. And so it also recognizes that in another piece of content right here where I don't even use that word in the title, it still finds it over here, right? Because if we go over here to chapters, you'll be able to see, if we scroll through here, SEO writing AI right here is in this video. And so it's ranking again. And so start counting up the views that I've gotten. Okay. So we pull out a calculator, we've got 2,100 views right there. Plus I'm going to scroll up, and right here we have another 1,300 and plus, and then right over here we have another 2,800 views plus, right here 3,100 plus, and then come back up over here to 5,800 equals. So I have had 15,000 eyeballs on my content for free promoting this software. And I've already shown you the income results, and that it converts. It actually is a very high converting, I think it converts at like 6% or something like that, which is double what kind of what you want to look for is about a 3%. And that's a pretty good product to promote. This one has converted at like a 6% or something like that for me. So the lowest commission that I'll make is like $3 if someone buys the lowest plan. But I've also had sales of over $100 for just one customer. So how did I do this, right? So are you starting to see kind of what I did here, right? So we scroll through here. I've got the formal SEO writing AI review that I almost rank number one. I usually rank number one. There's a couple other heavy hitters in this space, reviewing software, SEO software and AI content writing software, that we go back and forth and so forth. But for me, I don't really care, because once you build an audience, it doesn't even matter if you rank number one, because I guarantee you that Words at Scale, this guy is making a lot of money as an affiliate as well, because this is also one of his favorite tools as well. It becomes very easy to sell a software to customers when you use the software yourself. You've gone out and actually done case studies and ranked content, so you can actually show and prove that, oh yeah, this does work. And you have done what I've taught you in other videos, right? Go watch the last few videos where it's important to build an audience. And then you put those things together and you actually start making money. So there's all kinds of noise out there. And that's what I want to do on this channel, is actually show you exactly what I'm doing. There's so much noise out there on make money online, how to make money online, and all these, they make me laugh watching them now, years later, after I know what it really takes to make money. It makes me laugh watching some of those other videos. And believe it or not, some of my videos that I did like 3 years ago on this channel, they also kind of make me laugh at myself, because that's really not what's going to build you an income that you can actually leave your job and work full-time from home. You've got to build a business, right? And so this is what we did, right? We dominated for this keyword, this software. We could even come through here and remove the review. If just people are looking for SEO writing AI, you're going to see a lot of my content right over here, just content everywhere, right? And then some people like to put this together. SEO writing.ai is the actual like URL. And you're going to see that I have not made any content at all with that, .ai in there. And I'm still ranking, that's an ad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I still rank number 6 and then 8 and 9 and 10. So if you're not seeing right in front of you on the screen, the trick to this, to dominate a market, is to create unique videos. Don't just create 4 or 5 review videos, but create different ways to use that software, right? Do different tutorials about the software, right? And when people type this in and they are trying to make a decision on buying the software, they may need to watch 4 or 5 of your videos in order to be convinced that, okay, this really works. I like this. And this guy was really helpful. So I want to buy from this guy right now, right? All right, so now that you have the concept, right, we find an awesome software And then we can go out and start promoting it and creating several pieces of content that will continue to get views week after week and month after month, right? But you'll notice that some of these, and always want to include, for example, well, I guess that you don't always have to include the keyword of the software, because you can create unique content, viral type content right here, that you're also promoting that tool as well. But inside of these ones over here, I did use that, right, to kind of gain authority around the topic as well. So we want to do that and just come up with some really cool topics and so forth, right? And so let me go and show you how to do that. So we'll come back in over here, and I'm going to go back. We'll come back in to YouTube. And then what we would do is I would use like vidIQ, for example. We can go to the keyword inspector and it'll open this up right here. And then what we would do is we would write in SEO writing AI, and then we would just push search, right? The broad keyword. We know that this exact phrase is getting searched 15,000 times per month. We know that this could also be off. This could be double or triple. I do believe that this tool is going to be behind a little bit on trends and data, but it does give us somewhat of a mark, right? And so we know that AI is popular right now in 2023. AI software is huge with ChatGPT and so forth, right? And we know that blogging is still very popular as well. And we know that we can combine those, and this is a software that's in that market, so we could really create some content around this. You could even create an entire YouTube channel talking about AI software and so forth, right? But right over here, this will give you some ideas like, look, SEO writing AI review. This is the one that I rank. I rank number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 8 currently right now. Dominating almost half of the YouTube videos for the top 10. And I showed you that each video is getting thousands of views as well, right? And so what we can do is come in here, SEO writing AI blog, SEO writing AI, like I would skip that one, but best AI write, like, so you could write, create a content right here, best AI content writer, and then put something a little bit clickbaity or catchy right here. And then you can talk about that software, right? So you can do some cool things where you don't even have to put the this keyword. It doesn't have to be in all of your content. It can be in, you know, AI content writing tools. Go over your top 3, right? And position the one that you know sells the best and so forth as your favorite, right? So bring value to your customer, but this is how you go out there and find any keywords. Like if someone's asked, I would do an SEO writing AI tutorial. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of specific keywords for this software, but that's cool because then now you can come over here and say just AI writer, AI content, AI writer. So like right over here, best AI writer, find these little keywords that are just gems, right? AI writer is one of them. AI content is a good one as well. So you have AI content, people who are almost 30,000 people are searching that. AI content generator, AI content writers. You can build an entire channel based on all these keywords right here. Okay. So another thing is if we come up here, now that I am actually like logged in LearnWire, I can say AI or SEO writing AI and push enter, because SEO writing AI is, it's kind of hard to see what the exact title of the actual tool is. And that's just kind of what I title it because they kind of go by just SEO writing.ai. But nonetheless, when we go and click on this, vidIQ is awesome because it tells us data, right? So again, here's all my content that's ranking, right? Ranking all kinds of different content here. Now, if we come back up here, you're going to see the top channels for this search term are right here. And I can tell you right now that these are the heavy hitters in my space. This digital creator, Avi, he's been around a long time. I think he started doing this before I started doing this. He's got a great channel. And then you have LearnWire right here. I'm ranked number 2 right here. Words at Scale. So it's telling us the top 3 channels that talk about this tool. I mean, this tool, this vidIQ is very smart because that is actually the case, right? The I would say number 4, or someone that could be on this list right now, is this this new up and coming channel in this space, Mike Ashui. he creates a lot of content as well, similar to ours, right? So this is a good way that you can, the way to get to where this tells you what channels have the most authority for that search term. Well, the way, look, it tells you top creator and it tells you all the different stats. It gives us some really good stats, and then it can give us some other keywords right here as well. But the way that you make this top 3 list is by creating a lot of content around that topic. Now, don't create annoying content, and don't create the same piece of content every time. Get creative. You can use ChatGPT, for example, just right on the fly. Just go and click on this real quick. I'm going to open this up and just show you right in front of you, SEO Writing AI. And then what you could do is you can go over to ChatGPT, open up a new chat, and I'm just doing this on the fly. I'm just trying to show you that there's so many things you can do. And I'm going to say something like, I use and recommend as an affiliate an AI SEO content software called SEO Writing AI. Please give me 10 YouTube titles that I can create content around and dominate the niche for this software. Please make these titles 70 characters or less. Please do not include the numbered list at the beginning. I always put that in there, and that's a tip because it'll always list those out, and then you'll copy and paste them into an Excel file and the number will stick, and then it's kind of annoying. You end up having to do that afterwards anyways. So let's go and see what ChatGPT can do for us. So here's the 10 videos, right? Mastering content creation with SEO Writing AI, a full review. Boom, there's your first video. Now let's come back and create another one. How SEO Writing AI transformed my blogging game. Once you start, go out there, get the tool, and then go out and rank a couple articles, and then you're set, right? You can show proof that this works. SEO Writing AI versus another tool. That's cool. Unlocking there. I mean, there's hundreds of other tools that are in the space, so that's easy to do. Technically speaking, you could do this one versus 10 tools, and there's your 10 videos. Unlocking premium features. So you can go over a lot of the features, top 5 tips to optimize. I mean, look at this. You have all kinds of content. And then when you're done creating all those, you can just say, give me 10 more, give me 10 more. So you can go out there and literally start creating all this content for, and look at SEO Writing AI is in every single one of these. And this is how you would be able to kind of dominate the niche, if you will. So hopefully you got value from this. Like, this is the way I'm trying to really teach you, as if you got on a coaching call with me today, how I can actually show you how this is actually done. I don't really know any other way to break this down for you. Looking at a software that works, looking at the keywords that we can go after, and creating the value in the audience, and even coming in here when you can't think of what to write, let ChatGPT do that for you, right? Because as long as that keyword is in these titles, you're going to rank somewhere for that keyword, and there'll be some views and some interest, right? I really don't know what else to show you as far as, like, this is what makes me 6 figures a year. This is what made me $1,500 a month last month for my first payout with SEO Writing AI. There's so many other tools. You can use ScaleNet. You can use any other AI writing tool. I can show you proof of so many other companies that pay me out monthly. This is just a really cool one to show you that's up and coming. But hopefully you got value from this. If you did, hit that like button. If you want to learn more about this, if you think that this was valuable, just wait, because my webinar, when I'm done posting this video, I'm going to be putting together my webinar. It's going to be a pre-recorded webinar. You're going to be able to watch it and learn a lot from me for free on how you can start making 10K per month using a lot of these methods that I'm teaching in these last few videos. So there will be a link below. You can go check it out. Just sign up so you don't miss out on the webinar that's coming, because that webinar will be available very, very soon. I'm actually working on it. I've got the slides and everything. I know that there's some of you out there that have commented multiple times like, when is the webinar coming out? Did I miss the webinar? It is coming out soon. I'm working on it, I promise. But make sure to sign up if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.